take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no.
I'm hungry, but I needed a coffee first. Now I'm going to get myself a nice heavenly hunk. I love those carrot muffin ones. Oh, they're so amazing. You'll see. So here they are. Heavenly hunks. Carrot muffin. Carrot cake, sorry, carrot cake, not carrot cake muffin. Similar, but they have that nice icing that they've put on cinnamon buns on them. Oh man, these are deadly. I can't wait to have one for breakfast here now. Oh yes. Really? None left? Oh man. There's got to be something in there. Yeah, one little tiny flake of icing. That's just what I need this morning. So guess what? I think I'm going to have to finish my coffee and break out my mom's recipe and go make some energy balls. Yeah, that's my plan now. Because I'm tired of running out of Heavenly Hunks. So I'm going to go make some energy balls. Stay tuned. All right, let's see what we need here. We need some peanut butter, which I ate all of. 1/3 cup of honey, a teaspoon of vanilla. Add some rolled oats, 1/2 cup, 1/2 cup of flaxseed ground, and roll into bite-sized balls. Well, I think this calls for a trip to either Dominion or No Frills. Oh man, I hate grocery shopping. I hate grocery stores. But I really need my energy balls today. Yeah, so I got no choice but to go. All right, let's do this. All right, I'm here. Let's go. Made it back, safe and sound. Before I do anything, I have to line my ingredients up the way I like to use them. So those two things go together, and these three go together. Yay! And of course, my bowl doubles as a hat. Yes, I will rinse it out before I use it, just as I'm about to wash my hands first. Don't worry. Last tools are ready. Got my little measuring utensils ready to go. God, I'm almost standing too excited over this. I'm not really that excited. I think the YouTube algorithms like it when I'm excited, but this is about as exciting as I get. So now I'm going to start cooking. Not cooking, there's no cooking involved. I'm going to start baking this, or working through this recipe, and you can just watch and enjoy, because I'm about to turn on some nice, beautiful soundtrack music for you, right? I'm all finished, my energy balls. I did it, I made it. First time ever cooking them. I keep saying cooking them because I'm baking, but yet I'm not even baking. What would you call this? Just making cookies? Making energy balls? Anyway, here, I'll show you. And this right here is the finished product. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, they're gonna taste so good. In fact, I'm gonna try one in a second just for you. All right, here we go. The moment of truth. I'm gonna try one of the small little ones this time. Oh yeah, they are better than the Heavenly Hunks. I definitely won't say they're better than my mom's. Because if I do, she'd hang me. But actually, they're not better than mom's. I think the next time I'm going to use the natural peanut butter instead of the regular light peanut butter. Because I just use Kraft Light, which is my favorite kind of peanut butter. And obviously that's going to make my peanut butter balls or my energy balls taste so much better, and I don't want that. Because I'm salivating and drooling right now. I could eat that whole tray. And I know that whole tray would be a good couple days worth of calories, so I probably shouldn't get into that. So natural peanut butter next, because that way, not so much for the difference between the nutritional characteristics between the two, but more so because I like the natural peanut butter a little less than regular peanut butter. So therefore I'm less inclined to binge it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This is different for me. I've never done a video like this before. And it's totally new. I thought you were gone. Sorry, you caught me sneaking another one. Oh, they are good though. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Oh, sorry, the microphone's right there. On that note, bye.